because there are no coverage in my village. I vote no.
My name is Enyinaya Baribe, and I vote yes to Nigeria, yes to electronic voting.
I hereby vote no.
Mr. President, I stand on the side of the people, of Nigerians. I vote yes.
In support of electronic transmission of results, I vote no.
I stand for the Commission may transmit results of election by electronic means.
I support the transfer of results through electronic process by INEC.
I stand to say yes for electronic transmission of election results.
Mr. President, I vote no.
Mr. President, I vote yes.
Okay, thank you.
To electronic transmission of results.
I vote capital no on the electronic transmission of voting.
Mr. President and my dear colleagues, I vote yes to electronic transfer of results and electronic voting. And
on behalf of the very rural and network deprived people of Niger North, I say a very big and capital underline no.
Anụgbanata na-echi bụ nta. Hey, oh boy, this is why they don't like an Igbo man. And this is why some of them can say Igbo people don't like themselves. Because once another Igbo man is planning an evil, another Igbo man go there in front, they tell and say, Dey, okay, hey, what the next video is what I'm telling you about.
Before election,
as what Juzo Carlo is making those statements, there is no power in my place. I vote no. I better tell and say there is no need of me not being on the side of the people. I vote yes. The same Igbo man is trying to play politics with other people. Another woman is telling and say, it not go happen. We die here, we die here. All Jews of Kalo no get shame. And that's why his people are telling him, oh ha. It not go happen. The same Abia people, no be say Abari been a different Abia person and the Jews of Kalo in a different state. Oh. The same Abia people are telling his brother, say, come oh, look my face. The same senator, if you like, they play politics with APC, we are not going to be the same. And this is why they don't like Igbos. Igbos are not united. No, I've said it time with time number. Igbos are the most united people in this country. I've said it in case you are looking for evidence. 5 good years, 5 states in Igbo land were united doing shit at home. That is unity in totality. But I know what people call unity is when people connive to do evil. You know, if things are not properly defined, abuse is inevitable. Because the North and the West are conniving to be voting somebody who is bad in government, you think that is unity? No. Unity is in positivity. If I come together with my friend, if my friend join me together, and what we do result in positive, then we are united. We're united to do something better. But if when we come together, agree to do something, at the end of the day, the result is in negativity, the result is chaos, it is bad, it is evil, then we are not united, we are conniver. English no be our mate. The day we start defining things the way it is, that is the day we will know that the North and the West that you think they are united are not united, they are connivers. Because look at the people they have been voting into power. They have been destroying the economy of Nigeria, doing bad things, and Nigeria is going backward. So they are not united, they are connivers. And until Igbos unite and vote somebody who do something bad, then we can say the Igbos are not united. But the fact that Igbos are the one who always speak against evil shows they are united because it is in positivity. See it now. This is why I keep telling my people who are buying this propaganda, the Igbos are this, Igbos are that, to stop it. If you're from South or you are a Nyoma child, you are a Nyoma citizen, you are a Nyoma son, it is high time you start buying into lie. Look at things critically. Do not follow propaganda and falsehood. Do not follow media. Because the medias are biased. See it now. Abia State Governor Lesotho, as Nigeria is going backward, is showing us how government should be done in the entire Nigeria. Nobody want to talk about Igbo man doing good as a governor, but every time Igbo people do this, you want to bring this to us, you want to do this now, you want to bring IPOB. But the same IPOB man that you say is bad is the one doing the right thing. A man who made a law that if you are above 60, you should have a payment as somebody who has read. Hi! Old people now are going to be enjoying in Abia State. We talk say they get good road. We talk say the man they build infrastructure. We talk say they get steady light in Aba. He's bringing industry. The man is also doing this for his own people. This same man signed a law that the past governors should not be paying pension because they are taking billions every month as pension money. How do you know good people? Join these people. You will not go get sense. Come, let them teach you. Say, hey, you want to breathe. Now they have stopped it at home. I want to know the excuse you people will give again. They have stopped it at home. IPOB is saying, ESN is saying, even Martin Amadekano is saying, we don't want it at home. Let them go back to their business. Let me see the excuse you bring again. They didn't sit at home. We don't want it to come in. Let me see the excuse you are going to give again. Shame unto all of you who are buying into lies. See it now. Otuzo Kalu is disgracing himself. This is the people that people can call saboteur in Igbo land. These are the people who are making people to think that Igbos are bad. You rule a state for 8 good years, 2-time governor. You could not install steady light and good technology for internet in those places. And you have the audacity to be in the public be saying that because there is no network in your place, you vote no. Should we tell you the solution? That lithium battery solar is 1.2 million. Should we tell you that you cannot provide it for all the polling units with all the money we are collecting? We don't even want you to say it's federal. Say even it's not federal constituency because we want free and fair election. Starlink is everywhere that can connect to everywhere in Nigeria. Which part of the Nigerian network no day today? Because I work in the telecommunication system for 7 good years. That's why I can boldly say I have traveled to 774 local governments in this country. Because I've been to all these places during the time that we are doing THP and CHP and the NQA, Network Assurance Test Manager. Be going up and down with my Oga, Engineer Philip or Yawale. But what am I trying to say? There's nowhere, even if you think it's not 4G, there's going to be 3G network there. But if at that, and Nigerian government is going to tell us they don't have money to put Starlink in every polling unit if they truly want to do free and fair election, but because they have intention of rigging the election. And then, see them, it's only a PC. Who claim they have structure? Who claim that Tinubu is a master strategy? Who claim that they have all the governors to their hand, one party system? Who claim they are the best in doing campaign? Who claim they have the money? Who claim they have the majority? They are still the one are afraid to do free and fair election. Why? It's not hard time we know say when they fear. When I don't know. When the small child, when people like ADC, when them flog them well without no fear, publicly disgrace them. Let us see how it will happen. When you do free and fair and beat them, we will be proud to say that ABC beat them well, hands down. Not be go they pass around the bush, they try hide behind him. Thank God that the Igbos are not buying into all these lies anymore. They are putting pressure on the government to the point that they are not changing their mouths. See the news now. They want to do electronic, but they want to do manual with electronic transfer in case where there's no network. Or but there's no excuse where there will not be no network. It's just part of the reason that you want to rig election. If it's sure for you, do free and fair election. Do free and fair. Free and fair. That is the English word. Free and fair election. No vote buying, no coercing, no intimidation. Everything should be digital. Let's see who will win. Let's see who will win the election. Let's see. So it is obviously that Ndi Igbo are the ones who want Nigeria to work. Even though they are the ones still wanting to out of Nigeria, because 90% of them will say they want Biafra. But yet, even among them, I see the one who are dictating for a good thing to come. You might say that the obedient, this thing, this and that, but yet they are still the one who want Nigeria to work, who want Nigeria to do the right thing, who want Nigeria to get it right, who want Nigeria to be like 21st century country. This is why I'm telling my people that we should embrace this Igbo-ness that we are, because these are the right place to be. History will always favor us if we stay on the right side of the history. See the people you want to be supporting. See the people you want to be aligning with. Don't you see that there's difference? Yes, you might not like the present marginalization. You might not like the present stories that have been narrating, but they are not true. These facts are not there. Today, Nigerian government still recognize Southeast as the most developed region in Nigeria. So why can't we join the most developed and see how things will turn around for us? I'm out of here, John.